If you have weak knees, do this 80-second routine to build some strength. The goal here is to awaken your quads and your hamstring muscles. Those are the major muscle groups that support your knees. We're starting with knee extensions, toes pointing towards the ceiling. This will engage your quad muscle as well as promote knee mobility. Follow your natural range of motion. Then we're going to straighten our leg, keeping our toes pointed up towards the ceiling. Then we're going to lift that leg as high as we can. Don't worry, just follow your natural range of motion. This will strengthen your quadricep muscle without putting too much pressure on your knee. I'm sure you could feel that quad flex nice and firmly. You're definitely going to feel that burn. Your quads are crucial to knee stability and support. They help for transitioning from sitting to standing and supporting your knees while you're standing or walking. They obviously get weaker when you live a sedentary life, when you don't move around, so it's really important to awaken them from their dormant state. Do these exercises and of course be a bit more mobile throughout the day. Take daily walks when you can. Now we're going to work our hamstring muscles by bringing our heel towards our buttocks and really flexing those hamstrings. The hamstrings help control the knee's dynamic movement. It helps straighten and bend the knee and stabilize it. Keep these muscle groups healthy to keep your knees healthy. You got this.